Hey guys, my name is Sharice. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So today's video is going to be a super quick registry gift bag situation. I don't know what to call it. Free baby things for registering, whatever. So I have three different bags here. We have Amazon, Target. I actually have two from Target, and I will explain when I get to the Target situation. And then we have Buybuybaby. So I will actually start with the Buybuybaby one. So all you have to do is you make your registry, you go into your local Buybuybaby. I would recommend maybe, let me see if I can lift this actually. I would recommend maybe calling ahead to see if they have it. I didn't, and I didn't have an issue with getting it, but I have seen online that people have been having a hard time snagging their bag. Anyway, all you have to do is make a registry. You literally just show them that you made a registry. It doesn't matter how many items you have on there, and they give it to you. I think I had literally only had 3 items on mine. So yeah, let's go ahead. It says, is this a Pampers bag? Because it looks like a Pampers bag. No, it says Buybuybaby. Okay, cool. And I like bags like this because Avery likes to just store things for some reason, and this is like a good bag to give her to just store random stuff in. Or these can be like easy little grocery bags. Obviously it's not going to hold a bunch, but or you can even like just put a plastic bag in it, and this can be your like little garbage bag for your car. So the first, oh wow, speaking of car, first thing I grabbed is just this little baby on board sign, and we didn't have one of these before, so maybe I'll actually use this. Then we have 2 bottles. They are both the Philips Ebates bottle. Is this the colic one? Yep, they're both the 4-ounce anti-colic bottle with air-free vents. I'll just open one of them. Yep, that's what it looks like. There's like directions or maybe a coupon or something in there. Oh no, there's for sure directions in here. And then what's this? I actually haven't decided what kind of bottles we're gonna use. I'm gonna attempt to breastfeed this time around. Well, I attempted to breastfeed with Avery, but I'm gonna attempt to breastfeed again. Yeah, so it's just a registry guide telling you all the things that you should register for through Buybuybaby. Another Philips Avent little pacifier. I think this is the pacifier that Avery actually liked, and this is the 0 to 3 month. My camera is trying to tell me that it's overheating, and I refuse to believe it. I refuse. So then we have some Baby Organics little samples, and these are all, there's 3 samples of the moisturizing daily lotion, a coupon, and then a little sample of the Mommy's Bliss gripe water. And this coupon doesn't expire until 2022. Wow, why was that hard to say? We have a coupon for a full-size Dapple household product, and oh, on the other side it's for the breast pump cleaner. So 2 coupons, no sample or anything from them, but coupon. And then the last thing in there is Mustela. Is that how you say this brand? Mustela. This is the no rinse cleansing water. I've heard good things about this, so I'm glad I have a little sample. And then there is a coupon for buy one get one free of any Mustela product up to $50. That's a, hold up, that's a good, that's a good coupon. Oh, you have to get it. This one you have to get at Buybuybaby. The other 2 coupons that I showed are manufacturer coupons, but hey, I will be there, Buybuybaby. I will be there. So that's the Buybuybaby bag. Meh, but it's completely free, so not too mad at it. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys the Amazon bag. So I've seen a few videos on the Amazon stuff. Some people got cuter packagings than I did, but whatever. Mine literally just came in some like random brown box that didn't have like any nice like paper or anything with it, and I saw that some people got like a nice box with like nicely wrapped paper and blah blah. I would have thrown it away anyway, it doesn't really matter. But so with Amazon, you have to make the registry, and then $10 worth of stuff has to be purchased off of your registry. I actually, my daughter's birthday is coming up in November, so I just put 2 books that I planned on buying her anyway on the registry, and then I purchased those. So there's a little way to get around it if you don't want to particularly buy like a baby item. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. I actually really like this bag. It's cute. So it came with a ma'am, is that how you pronounce it? A bottle, and then a little pacifier. This was in plastic. I already opened it. And it came with this very cute gender neutral 3 to 6 month onesie, and this is the Simple Joys made by Carter's brand. Okay, my camera had the nerve to die on me. Anyway, I think I was talking about this onesie, and there's an app called Kidizen, I believe. I have ordered a few things off of there, so you guys will see that in like a later video. But anyway, someone is on that app trying to sell this damn onesie for $12. And I was like, I recognize that onesie. Wait a minute, $12. Okay. Okay, so let's see. I have some Pampers wipes. This is 6 of them. And then a Pampers diaper. This is probably like newborn or size 1. I don't know what this is. We got some coupons. So $1.50 off of Pampers Swaddlers. This doesn't expire until the end of next year. We have a $2 off Dreft, and then, oh wait, when's the Dreft expire? Okay, end of next year. And then $1 off of the Pampers wipes. Cool. Pampers Club information. Information about the little welcome box. We have some nipple balm, a sample of nipple balm. Water wipes, love water wipes. These things are juicy, okay? Like, she wet. We have a sample of Dreft. Into it. This came with the bottle. And then we have a little sample of Vino Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. Cetaphil Baby Wash and Shampoo. And then I have a swaddle. Don't want to sound ungrateful, so maybe I'll just be quiet. It's a nice swaddle. The material's like, you know, nice and soft. I did see that some people got like the little muslin swaddles that kind of more so matched the onesie. So I was hoping to get that too, but this is still cute and it will definitely get used, honey. So that is the Amazon. That's the Amazon bag. Not too bad considering, I mean, it's free. You have to purchase $10 worth of stuff, but if you're gonna buy $10 worth of stuff off of Amazon anyway, like I did, the books, not too bad. And also, you didn't have to be the person to spend the $10. It could have just been $10 off of your registry. So if someone else spent the $10, you still would have gotten the bag. Let's move on to the last thing that I'm going to show today, which is the Target stuff. So with Target, you just have to, it's completely free. You just have to, there's something on my lips, sorry. You just have to download the little registry app and then show them your barcode. And I will tell you, because I said that I have 2 bags, you can scan your barcode multiple times. The issue with scanning your barcode multiple times is this. This is, to me, the best thing that comes with the Target registry. So you will get this little bad boy to scan into your Target app, and then a bunch of coupons will pop up. It says save over $100 on your favorite baby brands. So a bunch of coupons will pop up for these brands here. The issue with that is once you already scan it on your device, you can't scan this again. So if you have a partner or a friend or someone, have them scan it, and then you can get your coupons again. And these coupons, I used all of them except for the one that I haven't used yet is like 10% off of the blinds, the curtains, the blackout curtains, those. But yeah, so the first thing in here is a little onesie, 3-month onesie. And this bag is no different than the first one that I got. So I got this one a few months ago, and I just recently got this one. What sucks is I wish I waited a little longer to try to get the bag again, because these coupons expire on the 31st of October. So that obviously means they're gonna have new coupons, right? Maybe coming out soon. So another Ma'am bottle that has the pacifier in it. Not gonna bother opening it because I already have. The Honest Wipes. This is a little 10-pack, and I use these on my butt, and I really like these wipes. I feel like Honest is a little pricier. We typically buy the Up and Up brand of diapers and the Up and Up brand of wipes. I do like these a little bit better than Up and Up, but that price is a little, woo. I have a little sample of the Boogie Wipes. I did not use Boogie Wipes with Avery. I think I might have tried Boogie Wipes one time, but it was only because I got them for free, like the whole pack for free. And then we have the Lancino disposable nursing pads, and then the storage, the little storage things for your milk. Oh my goodness, there's like a hair or something on my lip gloss. We have a sample of Pedialyte. And I actually used the little Pedialyte sample that I got in the other bag. And that helps with my nausea so much. So yeah, we got grape flavored this time. I think last time it was cherry flavored or something. An Aquaphor sample. A bottle from Dr. Brown's, and this is supposed to be one of the colic bottles. Then we have a Johnson's Cotton Touch Newborn Wash and Shampoo, and then a Aveeno Baby Lotion. And then the last thing is this from Pampers. This is so cute. I like the way they do their little hearts for Pampers. And this is just a changing pad. And like I said, I already have one, so this is actually gonna be perfect. My mom has a, I don't know how or why she has a Registry bag from Target, but she has one from like a few years ago. I think hers is from like 2018 or something like that. Her coupons are all expired and everything. Like, I don't know. Anyway, but she had a changing pad in hers and some other things, and she's gonna send it to me. So I think I might actually remove the changing pads off of my Registry. And if you're interested in seeing like what my Registry looks like, which is honestly nothing exciting, it'll be linked down below. So we have a Target coupon, $5 off, boop, 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 Pamper diapers with purchase of 333 count or larger Pampers wipes. So if you're gonna, I guess if you're gonna do the little baby deal that Target always has, it's like, get a $20 gift card when you spend $100. Sometimes they do a $30 gift card when you spend $100. That'll be a good little coupon. Then we have some like household coupons. The dish soap. You got some Dreft. You have Pampers. More Pampers. Boop, boop, boop. 6-pack of wipes, and then a diaper. I'm pretty sure this is a size 1, and the other diaper that I showed earlier was probably a newborn. So that is the Registry gifts for Target, Buybuybaby, and Amazon. I feel like the best gift, to me, the best one out of all of them was actually the Target one, just because those coupons in combination with the little baby deals that they have going on, you can save a lot of money. That's how I got all of these diapers that I have currently. The Amazon little like swaddle was cute. Buybuybaby, it was free, whatever. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please thumbs it up so more people can see it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.